my name is Harish. Today I'm going to show you a really easy and fun science experiment. What is matter? Matter is everything around us. What are the three main states of matter? Solid, liquid and gas. In this experiment, I have used all the three main states of matter. Solid, that is the baking soda. Liquid, that is the vinegar. And when these two mixed, it created a brand new substance called carbon dioxide. That is a gas. So now you can keep this bottle in a cup, just preventing from the vinegar to spill anywhere. So pour the vinegar inside. Then take the balloon, take the funnel and keep it in the balloon. So take some baking soda, pour it inside. Inside the balloon. So now our balloon is full of baking soda. So now we have to put the balloon on top of this. So now everything's ready. Now we're in the final step. You just have to put the balloon upwards and squish the balloon so the baking soda goes down. Today we are going to learn about physical and chemical changes. What is a physical change? A physical change is a change that affects the appearance of an object. Examples: mass, size, shape and color. A chemical change is when a substance mixes with another substance to create a brand new substance. In this experiment, I have used both physical and chemical changes. Generally, inflating a balloon is a physical change because it changes the size of the balloon. The balloon isn't changed, only the size is. So in this, I've also done a chemical change because when I mixed vinegar and baking soda, they both are substances that mixed to create a brand new substance called carbon dioxide, which inflated the balloon. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and